What's up, you guys? So for today, I am going to be cleaning most of my house, not every single thing, just because I already cleaned some rooms. I already started some laundry yesterday, but I'm going to be cleaning today. It is the day before Christmas Eve, which my family always celebrates Christmas on Christmas Eve. So to me, tomorrow is Christmas. So it's the day before Christmas, and I'm so excited for Christmas. And I always like to clean my house before the new year. Like, I don't know what it is. It just feels good having everything clean and fresh. I also need to wrap presents today. I also need to tan. As you can see, I have no tanner on, so I need to wrap presents, shower, wash my hair, tan, bake a cake, clean the house. It's a full day. But yeah, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I have not been motivated to clean my house lately. So there's that, but we're doing it today. So it's like 11 o'clock right now. I just had a quick breakfast. I am gonna get right into cleaning. But before I get into cleaning and before we get on to the video, I wanna give a huge shout out to today's sponsor, which is Forever 21. I cannot believe I'm working with Forever 21. Yeah, if you guys wanna check out my little Forever 21 haul, then keep on watching. I want to show you guys some items that I got from Forever 21. These pieces, they're so high quality, but yet at such an affordable price. Actually, funny enough, one of my favorite jeans ever that I've literally had since like 2017, I think, is from Forever 21. They have such good pieces. Also, I will make sure to link every single item that I mentioned down below in the description box. So I'm gonna go ahead and try on all of the pieces now and share them with you guys. I am obsessed with the First Fit. I love these. Leather pants. They're such good quality too. They have a nice like lining in them. And then we have this one shoulder bodysuit that I'm just so obsessed with. Like, it's so sleek and it is very soft. So I also just wanted to show you guys this gorgeous dark taupe jacket. It is so pretty. Also, you can actually dress this down if you wear with sneakers, track pants, and a bodysuit. You could dress this coat down as well. So I love that. It's versatile. So next we have the cutest sweater ever. It's so soft and warm, but yet it's not too heavy. You could definitely tuck it in on the side if you want to show a little bit of body and have one side hanging down. I always like to do that. Another amazing sweater. I love how chic this one is. It feels so like high-end and chic. I feel like you could dress this one up easily and wear it to dinner, or you could dress it down. Okay, I love this dress so much. So pretty. It is such a simple dress. I love pieces that are just minimal and sleek. Don't mind my legs, they're not really that tanned. Love this top so much. It's so pretty, and I just love the zipper going all the way down. And honestly, you could just wear this with jeans or joggers as well, or you could dress it up. So I love that. And again, super smooth material, but the quality. Okay, how cute is this little matching set, you guys? I am so obsessed. Like, these leggings fit so nicely. I love the top. It's very just like flowy, so cozy and comfy. I feel so cute in this. I actually love this. I love this for around the house or for going on walks, or you could honestly even just run errands in this really quickly. Okay, also I had to show you guys this corduroy Sherpa jacket. So I wouldn't wear it with this outfit. I would probably wear this with just like jeans and a bodysuit or leggings and a top. But I love this jacket so much. It's so comfy, so cozy. I found this cute little bag. I love the mini style where you could just carry the little handle. I really love this. So cute. Okay, last item. I just had to pick this up. I actually regret not getting this in more colors because it is so cozy. It is so incredibly soft. I'm probably going to be lounging around the house in this nonstop. So that is it for all the items that I got from Forever 21. I'm going to link every single thing in order down below with the sizes. So go ahead and check the description box to shop some Forever 21 items. Other than that, you guys, let's get back to cleaning. So the first thing I love to do is laundry. That way the clothes can be washing while I am cleaning the house. And I love that collapsible laundry basket that you guys just saw. I'm going to link it on my Amazon store, but here I am just folding some dry clothes because I had already put these in the wash the night before. And also I will start running my robot vacuum. This is literally a lifesaver. I always have clean floors thanks to this little guy. Then the first thing I always do is the kitchen. I'm removing all of the like electronics, getting everything, just basically clearing out the countertops. And I'm putting away any dishes that were left from the night before. I usually run the dishwasher the night before, but I actually forgot this day. So I am putting those in there. And then I realized the dishwasher at the top was dirty, so that's what I'm doing. I'm just cleaning that here. I feel like we tend to forget to clean the dishwasher. But yeah, anyways, I'm just setting the dishes because like I mentioned, I forgot to do it the night before. So I'm doing that, and that way the dishes can get cleaned while I'm cleaning the house. I love magic erasers. You guys will see me use this all over the house. Such an easy, effective cleaning tool. Like, I feel like you don't need a million different cleaning sprays once you have the magic eraser, because you can use it for so many things. I have some in the kitchen, I have some in the bathroom, I have some in the laundry room. Like, I keep them in every room in the house. Also my studio bathroom, because it really removes makeup off the counters or off the sink. But anyways, I'm cleaning the sink with the magic eraser. Then I am putting some warm water on a cloth. I love these cloths. I got them from Amazon. If you follow me on Instagram, then you saw me talk about them. But I'm basically just cleaning the dust and any sort of like fingerprints or any dirt or whatever from my cabinets. Now my cabinets are 100% real wood, so I don't really want to put any harsh cleaning products on them. So I just use warm water, and if I need to, I will use surface cleaner. But for the most part, warm water does the trick. And I will make sure to clean the chrome handles because the handles get like fingerprints all over them. And I'm actually also wiping down with a dry cloth just to get the water off immediately. And this is the surface cleaner that I use. I completely forgot to show earlier, but I pretty much use all Method products. I love their stuff. So you can see here those oily little fingerprints. That's why it's super important to make sure you're wiping down your cabinets. That's why I love having a white kitchen and just a white house in general. It shows me when things are dirty, and white is not hard to clean at all. Like, it's literally not hard to clean. If anything, it shows you when it needs to be cleaned, and then that way you have a cleaner house. So anyways, I am just wiping down the fingerprints with a little bit of surface cleaner, and then, you know, wiping down the water with a dry cloth. And I had to show this to you guys. I was really shocked by how dirty. I just like paused the frame here so you guys could see how dirty and dusty my range hood was. I'm like slightly embarrassed, but I guess it's one of those areas that's so easy to forget, right? But the dust was actually almost like stuck on. I guess because it's a range hood, all the steam and oil from cooking, it almost like stuck the dust on. So I had to use some surface cleaner, and you can look how satisfying that is. You can just see I had to literally like wipe it away. It wouldn't just like dust off. It was kind of stuck on, but the surface cleaner obviously just took it off. And these microfiber cloths are amazing from Amazon. They're so thick and they just get everything, and they're very easy to clean. I know they're white, so they're intimidating. You guys, they are so easy to clean. And if you have any stains, the Zote soap really works well. I will also link that on my Amazon. But yeah, so you can see how much dirt came off the range hood here, and I'm literally just washing off the dirt with some hot water, and you can see the dirt will literally come right off. And obviously you don't have to do this. You could just pop this right in your washing machine and it'll wash the towels. I love using reusable towels because it's a lot less waste. You save a lot of money as well, not having to use paper towels as much. And then I'm just cleaning the countertops. Again, I'm using the surface cleaner by Method. I actually want to try the Method granite cleaner because I've heard that makes your countertops really nice and shiny. So I'm probably going to try that next. But yeah, I just love the surface cleaner I use it for like 90% of things in my house. And I'm also cleaning the sink faucet with it as well. So I'm taking a little break from the kitchen because I realized that I could have the pillow cushions from the pillows on the couch going and washing in the dryer while I'm cleaning the rest of the house. Also, you notice I have a blanket on the couch, and this just helps throughout the week. If I get any stains, I don't even need to worry about cleaning them right away. I can just toss the blanket in the wash. My couch is actually very easy to clean, but obviously it's easier just to toss a blanket in the wash. So we're back in the kitchen now, and I am cleaning the stovetop. I actually hate cleaning the stovetop. It is so annoying, but I like that this microfiber cloth, it really picks up all the little crumbs. So I will go through and pick up the crumbs first, dust the crumbs off in the sink, and then I will use the surface cleaner and clean it. Then I am also cleaning the backsplash. I just put a little bit of surface cleaner on my cloth first. You don't want to put surface cleaner directly on the backsplash because you might get it on your grout if your grout is white. I learned my lesson from that. And then I'm also cleaning the range hood underneath, like the little vent. And moving on to the fridge, the first thing I always do is clean the little water section area, because obviously you're getting water from there all the time. You just want to make sure that area is clean. I also clean the little, I don't know what to call it, but like that little faucet, I guess, that the filtered water comes out of. Make sure you clean that too. And I love to use this Wayman's stainless steel cleaner for the fridge. One, it smells so good, and two, it just gets the stainless steel fridge super shiny and gets rid of all those fingerprints and water stains and all that. I also will do that to the microwave. I did it to the oven too, but I didn't film that. And then I am back in the living room just tidying things up. My living room is not fully decorated, you guys. I'm actually going to be getting a new coffee table, adding custom built-ins. With the glass coffee table, it's so annoying because it really shows the dirt. Other than that, I'm kind of just tidying things up, waiting for the cushions to finish washing for the pillows, and fixing up the blanket, putting that away. Then I am vacuuming the rug, and I am just going to tell you guys straight up, this Dyson vacuum is the best thing I've ever purchased in my life. Seriously, you guys need this. Put it on your birthday list, save up for it. I don't care what you got to do, but you got to get your hands on this Dyson vacuum. It is incredible. Anyways, I'm just vacuuming the rug. Then I love this little duster because it's perfect for cleaning the baseboards, and I don't have to like hurt my back and bend over, so it's just perfect. I'm dusting all the baseboards, and for any baseboards that I feel like need some extra cleaning, I just take a warm cloth with water and I will wipe them down. I feel like baseboards get neglected, but it is so important to clean your baseboards. If you let them get dusty, literally after a few months or even a few years, it'll look really bad. So it's important to clean your baseboards. I'm going through the entire house doing that. And honestly, it only takes a few minutes, so it's really not that bad. I'll go through the fireplace with the duster as well, and I'll go through the TV. Don't forget the top of the TV, the top of your doors, the top of your windowsills. Just dust everything. And this is an area that also gets really neglected. As you can see, I paused the frame here so you guys can see how dusty mine was. I clearly had been neglecting mine, but it's, again, you don't want to leave it for too long or else the dust will kind of get stuck on. I left mine for a few weeks and you could see it was super dirty. So I just also took a warm cloth and cleaned that. Then I am mopping the floors. I love this mop because it's just easy. I think I usually put like 30%, no, I put like about 40% surface cleaner in the little thingy, and then 60% water. And then there's like a little spray thing, and you can spray the solution directly on your floors. You can use any solution. I just do surface cleaner plus water, and that's how I mop the floors. Pretty easy, and you can put this little pad in the washing machine and reuse it. As you can see, Sugar is very intrigued. Then the cushions were finished washing, super easy. I think they were done in like 20 minutes. And a quick little tip I like to do is to get the inserts to my pillow one size bigger than the covers, and that makes your pillows super fluffy. It can be a little tricky when you're putting the cover on. It's a little bit of a tight fit, but if you fold it and push it in, it's worth it because you have nice fluffy pillows. Also, I had already vacuumed the couch and cleaned this blanket about a week ago, so that's why I didn't do it on this day. Giving Sugar some love. He's like, Mom, why are you squeezing me? And then we're headed upstairs. I actually cleaned my studio a different day, so you'll notice my hair is different and my outfit is a little bit different. I cleaned my studio a few days before this because I just could not stand it. Like, it was so messy. Like, this is messy to me when I just leave products everywhere. So I'm going through, this is some new stuff I got from Sephora, so I'm putting that away. I usually have giveaway products just sitting in this basket, so I'm going through all of the products. And anything I don't want, of course, like I mentioned, will go into the giveaway box. And then I do tons of giveaways on my Instagram, so make sure you guys follow me there. Of course, anything you guys see me using and testing, I don't put in the giveaway. I put that aside, and if I want it, I keep it. If I don't want it, I will give it away to family. Then I had this makeup table that was still here from me filming my drugstore video like 2 weeks ago, and I was just leaving it there. And then I'm putting all the makeup away and clearing out my makeup vanity. Then moving on to my bedroom, it might be hard for you guys to see, but you can kind of see how dusty that mirror is. And I am just going through and dusting the mirror, dusting all the baseboards, dusting the nightstands. Don't forget to dust the outlets. as well as the light bulbs in the lamp. Like, you'll be surprised how dusty the light bulbs are as well. So I'm just basically going through and dusting the bedroom and the entire upstairs floor. Vacuuming. I like to vacuum this rug myself because it is a wool rug, so that's why I don't let my robot vacuum go through it. And yeah, I'm just vacuuming the entire bedroom. Also, I'm still planning to add maybe some black sleek mirrors behind these lamps right here, just to finish off the bedroom and kind of wrap it up. I feel like it looks like something's missing, so I'm definitely going to get bigger nightstands and maybe a mirror to go behind the lamps. I think that'll look really good. Going into the bathroom now, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, my bathroom was messy because I purposely wanted to let it get messy. See all that hair on the floor? That was from me just one morning. Just from one morning of me brushing my hair. But anyways, yeah, I purposely let my bathroom get a little dirty so that, you know, it could be satisfying for you guys to watch. I knew I was gonna film this video. So you can see the countertops, the sink, it needs to be cleaned. So first thing I am doing is vacuuming because I just needed to get that hair up off the floor. I could not anymore. Also, I did clean the toilet and the shower, but I didn't get that on camera. But yeah, so the first thing I'm doing is clearing out my bathroom counter because I'm not gonna lie, I've had a couple new products that I want to try and they've just been sitting on my counter and I haven't put them away. So I went ahead, took them out of the box, put them away in the new product drawer because I have like an organized drawer underneath there where I put new products. So I went ahead and just organized everything in the proper section. Cleared out the countertops, cleaning the mirror. I like to use the Method glass cleaner for this. And again, I am using microfiber cloths. They clean so good. It picks up all of the dirt and it just, honestly, they clean so good. They're also very like absorbent, so they absorb all of the surface cleaner or any wet liquid, like anything. They're just so good to clean. I will link my favorite ones on Amazon. I'm also using the same glass cleaner for the countertops because it says you can use it on surfaces as well. So I'm just cleaning the counters and making sure to get right on that ledge as well. As you can see, there was so much dust behind those products because I had just let the products literally sit there for a few weeks. Like, I am slightly embarrassed, but I'm just being honest. Like, I don't know why, I just was being so lazy. I wasn't putting them away. Also cleaning the sink faucet with the same glass cleaner and the microfiber cloth. And I'm just washing out the sink because you can see there's like a lot of dust in the sink from me shaking out the microfiber cloth. So I'm washing that down and then I'm using the magic eraser to clean the bathroom sink. Again, I have magic erasers in different rooms of my home to keep them separate. So I'll have one for the bathroom, one for the kitchen, and so on and so on. The magic eraser is perfect to clean right around the bottom of the sink faucet. And then I'm also just cleaning the soap dispenser. And I'm just wiping down the cabinets as well. And now I am actually cleaning the mirrors with the glass cleaner in my bedroom. And I'm also cleaning the mirror that's above my dresser. So there's a few things that I didn't get on camera, but that pretty much wraps up the cleaning. So that is it, you guys. My house is finally clean. I feel so good, but I gotta say I am really exhausted. But now I'm gonna go ahead, take a nice shower, exfoliate my whole body because I wanna apply a nice fresh tan because I wanna be tan for Christmas. I have some old tan still, so I need to give myself a good exfoliation. I need to wash this hair. And then while my tan is baking, I'm gonna wrap some Christmas presents, maybe, you know, play some Christmas music. And then later on in the evening, probably around like 7 or 8, I'm gonna bake the cake for Christmas tomorrow. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed watching me clean my house, and of course, as always, I will see you in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.